want to touch on confidence a little bit. It's something that I think guys struggle with, especially starting out. It's a question that comes up a lot at my workshops. How to become more confident. How do you get those frames? How do you get in close? I think fear, unconsciously, we shy away from it. It's an unconscious thing. Oh, she's sweet, this lady. Wondering those flowers for. Yeah, I think like we shy away from fear, and we're kind of puppets on the end of its string. We can use fear as a gauge of where we're at. Like, can you see here, I want to be centre to my subject. I think when the subject's in towards the centre of the frame, with this kind of shooting, right, with the kind of frames I'm getting here, you'll see me shift into centre alignment with this guy, and I'm constantly doing that. I think those images are a lot more powerful rather than when we're shooting from the side. Like when I'm looking at an image and someone's in the set. This is a sweet guy, right?
Yeah. Turn right and keep walking.
Oh, it's right, not left. Okay.
No, on the other side of the road.
Okay, cool, brilliant. Thanks a lot,
And
my
you
friend.
see the people with the plants, and you're there.
Top man, have a good day.
Thanks, mate. Yeah, when I'm looking at an image and the subject is centre of the frame, anchored to the centre, it just feels a lot more. I'm like, oh, how the fuck did they get the camera there? And that's what I want. That's how I want people to kind of resonate with my images. I'm sure I fail miserably quite often. That's my intention.
I know, it's that rocker, man.
Right, so we're coming into the heart of the East End of London, which is like Bethnal Green, famous for, I don't know what, Jack the Ripper, Bethnal Green. The Cray twins, the gangsters from the 1960s. They lived around here, and it was, but Petticoat Lane, Brick Lane, and obviously, well, Dickens. Oliver Twist. But I love the East End. I was kind of brought up in the East End. I still live in the East End now. Here we go. In the centre. It's not that everything has to be in the centre, right? It's just, it's my anchor. It's kind of a loose anchor. Yeah, I'm not sure about that frame. Some of these images I'm just putting in so that you guys get a feel for how I work. I'm not sure. There's probably 2 or 3 images that will ever see the light of day in my portfolio from this whole segment. It's also tricky, isn't it, to shoot video and stills at the same time. Easier with the GoPro though, a lot easier doing it this way. But your mind's still on 2 things. See the guy on the left? flowers. Boom. I think the masks as well, the whole COVID thing is, you kind of still got to keep your distance a little bit. But I'm in quite close here, and I'm on a 24, I'm very wide here. Through the mirror, another mirror. You could subscribe if you haven't. Right, subscribe now. Little plug. Also, if you prefer this video without this commentary, let me know, and I won't do a commentary. Going in the center of the frame. Do I have that fear, that hesitancy? Yes. And I'm aware of it, so I can use it. And I have a choice. If I'm not aware of it, then, like I said, I'm just a puppet on the end of fear's string. When I'm aware of it, I'm like, oh yeah, it's scary, and I'm just gonna take another step closer. A lot of masks, right? I have no problem with the mask thing. I think we need to shoot what's going on, right? We need to shoot this time. What a character. Proper old East Ender. Is this a bit long, this video? Maybe I'll do these at 5 minutes. The trick is to slow down. Obviously I'm not moving this fast, but I'm talking about like slow down, and I'm not talking necessarily in the way that we move, right? I'm talking about, because I move quite fast, and I don't think my body language or the way that I'm shooting, the way that I use the camera, that doesn't slow down. But I just want to create some space between my thoughts so that I can see what's going on. So when we're in our head, it's just like, we're not really seeing what's there. It's just this filtered perception. So I want to lose that thinking. And for me, the way into that is to work on being as present as I can with what's going on. And then it's almost like time slows down. It doesn't slow down. It's not slow motion. But yeah, time, it kind of feels like it slows down. That was very close. You can imagine some on that 24 mil. this shot, there's a guy coming in with a flower pot, and then this girl in this kind of orange jacket, and I can kind of feel this symmetry. Okay, so he's coming closer, 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 and you kind of want that symmetry between people, and hopefully I nailed it there. It's kind of a messy frame, but just that, almost like storytelling. There's a few little stories going on in that frame. Oh, these characters bribing me.
Right, hold up, one more shot then and I promise. Right.
I don't even think I even asked them if I could take a picture. They just kind of, I think they're used to it. I was like, all right, I'll get you a few cans. A couple of cans of cider. Sort of oiled the wheels. Your guy on the left didn't drink. So I bought them one each, but he didn't drink. So I think I've got muck there. Okay, and we're at the end of it now. This is kind of just, I think, north of Bethnal Green. This is Broadway Market. There we go.